Hey everyone, welcome back to the place where we bring you the latest, greatest, and most exciting content on all things motorbikes, cars, and everything that gets your adrenaline racing. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. And for all our returning viewers, you know we appreciate every single one of you. Thanks for the support. Today, we've got something absolutely special lined up. If you're a fan of speed, performance, and insane engineering, you're in for a treat. We're diving deep into the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R, the motorcycle that redefines what it means to go fast. Let's talk specs, features, design, and what makes this beast stand out in the world of supercharged sport bikes. So buckle up, let's get started. Alright, let's start with a little bit of context. The Kawasaki Ninja H2R has always been one of those motorcycles that's just, well, otherworldly. It's an icon. A motorcycle that made heads turn from the very moment it was first revealed back in 2014. But now, in 2026, Kawasaki has taken it to a whole new level, pushing boundaries of performance and technology. The H2R isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement that Kawasaki can craft a machine capable of producing insane amounts of horsepower, speed, and cutting-edge tech. Now, in 2026, this machine is not just about raw power, but about delivering an unmatched riding experience. And we're going to dive deep into everything that makes the Ninja H2R tick. So, let's start with the heart of the beast, the engine. The 2026 Ninja H2R comes equipped with the same iconic supercharged 998cc inline-4 engine, but Kawasaki has taken it to the next level. This isn't just your average sport bike engine, it's a piece of engineering art. With a turbocharger, the H2R produces an eye-watering 310 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right. 310 horsepower from a production motorcycle. This engine is a mechanical marvel. Kawasaki's engineers have refined it even further for 2026, ensuring better throttle response, more aggressive acceleration, and a higher top speed. The power is fed through an advanced 6-speed transmission and a gear-driven supercharger that delivers unparalleled performance. This is a motorcycle that can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 2 seconds. It can hit speeds in excess of 250 mph, making it one of the fastest production motorcycles on the planet. Let's not forget about the handling. With all that power, you need the perfect balance of suspension and braking performance. The H2R is equipped with high-tech KYB suspension at both ends. These are adjustable, ensuring a smooth and controlled ride even at insane speeds. You've got Brembo brakes up front that offer exceptional stopping power. Simply put, the 2026 Ninja H2R doesn't just go fast, it can stop just as fast, and that's crucial for safety when you're dealing with these kinds of speeds. Now let's talk about design, and the aerodynamics on this motorcycle are truly next level. When Kawasaki first introduced the H2R, the focus on aerodynamics was clear, and for 2026, they fine-tuned the shape and design to improve both stability at high speeds and overall track performance. The most noticeable feature has to be the aggressive front end. The H2R's distinctive ram air intake sits right at the front, taking in massive amounts of air to feed the supercharger. The sharp lines and sculpted bodywork aren't just for looks, they've been designed to improve airflow and reduce drag, making sure that the bike stays glued to the tarmac even when you're pushing the limits. The bodywork has been reworked for 2026, with a more aerodynamic fairing and tail section. Kawasaki has optimized the bike for maximum downforce, allowing it to cut through the air effortlessly while maintaining stability at top speed. This is a bike that was designed in the wind tunnel and on the track. Every curve and contour has a purpose. The color options for the 2026 model also reflect this aggressive nature. The bike's paint job is sleek, with high-quality finishes and color schemes that make the H2R stand out in any setting. Okay, let's talk tech. If the engine and design aren't enough to impress you, the 2026 Ninja H2R is packed with a mind-blowing amount of technology that makes it more than just a speed machine. It's a technological powerhouse. The 2026 model features an advanced electronic rider support system that includes multiple riding modes, traction control, and a state-of-the-art quick shifter. The Kawasaki Intelligent Proximity Activation System, or KIPAS, allows the rider to engage with the bike in a way that feels intuitive and connected. One of the most exciting additions is the all-new TFT display that provides the rider with a wealth of information in a sleek, easy-to-read format. It includes everything from real-time engine data to lap times, giving track riders everything they need to push the bike to its absolute limits. The bike also comes equipped with advanced cornering ABS, which helps with braking and handling at high lean angles. This feature is especially important for riders who want to push the limits on the track. Perhaps one of the most important upgrades is the integration of smart connectivity. The 2026 H2R allows you to connect to a mobile app that tracks your riding performance, stores data, and even lets you customize certain bike settings like throttle sensitivity, suspension, and power delivery. This is the future of performance motorcycles. Everything is connected, data-driven, and ready for you to take control. Speed isn't everything. When you're riding something like the Ninja H2R, safety is paramount. Kawasaki understands this, and that's why they've included advanced safety features in the 2026 model. Let's take a closer look. The 2026 Ninja H2R comes with updated traction control systems. It uses a multi-level system to adjust the engine's output in real time depending on the road conditions and lean angle. This system ensures that the bike stays stable, even when you're pushing the limits in wet or slippery conditions. The KIBS Kawasaki Intelligent Anti-Lock Brake System has been fine-tuned as well. This system can adjust braking power to prevent wheel lockup under heavy braking. Even when you're applying maximum braking force, this is a lifesaver, especially when you're going fast. Additionally, the bike features a new anti-wheelie system that helps control the throttle when accelerating, preventing excessive wheel lifts, especially when you're launching the bike from a stop. Now, let's talk about what it's like to actually ride the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R. With all of its tech and raw power, it's easy to forget that this bike has been designed with the rider's comfort in mind, too. The aerodynamics of the H2R are comfortable for a track-focused bike. It's not overly aggressive in terms of posture, but it's still very focused on performance. You'll feel like you're in full control the moment you get on it. The saddle has been designed to offer support even during long rides. The handlebars are slightly lower than a conventional sport bike, which gives you that perfect aggressive riding position, one that allows you to stay in control even during the most demanding corners. And despite its extreme performance capabilities, the H2R is relatively manageable when it comes to city riding, of course. We're not talking about comfort in the traditional sense. This is a bike built for serious performance. But if you need to take it out for a weekend ride or a trip to the track, you'll find that the aerodynamics offer just the right balance of comfort and control. Now, the question on everyone's mind: how much is this monster going to set you back? The 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R is a high-end, track-focused motorcycle, so expect a price tag that matches its performance. The price is expected to be in the range of $60,000 to $70,000, and, depending on where you're purchasing it and any additional options or upgrades that may be available. While that's definitely not cheap, remember, this is a one-of-a-kind machine. The power, performance, and technology packed into the H2R make it a steal for anyone serious about high-performance motorcycles. To wrap it all up, the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R is an absolute monster of a motorcycle. From its insane 310 horsepower engine to its cutting-edge tech, it's clear that Kawasaki isn't just making a bike, they're creating a legend. Whether you're an experienced rider or a performance enthusiast, the H2R will blow your mind in every aspect. If you've got the skills and the passion for extreme riding, this bike is the ultimate track tool. But it's not just about speed. It's about mastering the technology and the feel of the bike, and that's exactly what Kawasaki has delivered with the 2026 H2R. Alright, that's going to wrap up today's video. What do you think of the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja H2R? Is this the bike of your dreams, or do you think the price and power are just too much to handle? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed it and share it with your friends who are into serious bikes. And if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to your channel name for more awesome content like this. We've got more bike reviews, news, and updates coming your way. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Until then, keep the rubber side down and ride safe.